Okay. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Make sure it's a half knot Windsor, okay? We don't
I,
accept anything else
I
in terms
got
of tie
it's a
knots.
half Windsor.
It's a half Windsor? Okay, then that's all right. We
No,
can
no, 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 no. I did it wrong. It's a half. I don't know. Tell me. Look, it's at a half or a whole.
it looks like a half to me. I don't know.
Yeah.
Can't
Okay.
tell. No, it might
Yeah.
be a full. It might be a full Windsor. They usually take some more tie when you do that though.
Yeah.
Okay. We're live
Let me
on
go.
YouTube, so I'm not going to discuss tie knots anymore with you.
Okay. How about
Sorry.
margarita machines?
No, we're live on YouTube. Okay, I've got I've got a plea that's ready to go. Let me see. I have Miss Silver, I think, and she is representing Mr. Edward Gomez. Do I have a prosecutor though? I do have a prosecutor. Prosecutor
Yes,
just
Judge.
got in the
Thank you.
meeting.
Yes.
So then, Mr. Gomez, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. I can't hear you. Uh, can you unmute his camera, Gil? 1 minute. Let's get a deputy over there.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. I can hear you now. You just swore that yes to my swearing in. So put your hand down. And I want to share my screen with you.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay, do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir. I see it.
Okay, I'm about ready to pull up your paperwork. Okay. Is your name Edward Charles Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Edward Gomez when this calls number 727-645, who stands charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor. Correct.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, is correct.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor, she did.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor, I fully understand it.
Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this. I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I fully understand it.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest, Your Honor.
And you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Has anybody forced you to do this, sir?
No, Your Honor, nobody.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor, nobody did.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 22 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Silver?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Gomez, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentenced you to 22 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served. the time and the money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Can't
Yes,
tell you
sir.
exactly when that'll be, but it should be sometime today, sir. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, take care. And
Thank you.
Ms. Silver, thank you. You can be excused. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Sit right here, sir? Yeah.
Mr. Chidas, are you ready?
Actually, I am. I talked to the prosecutor, Mr. Sanchez,
Yes, sir.
and he agreed to dismiss the case.
Oh,
No, wait a minute. Are you sure you talked to Sanchez? That sounds way too reasonable for him. I'm live on YouTube too. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Sanchez, you're going to send me a dismissal in this case?
I just did right now, Judge.
Okay. Then, Mr. Chavez, good work. I'm going to sign that dismissal, and that should take care of it. Do you want me to tell your client or not? Or does your client know already that's going to be dismissed?
Oh, no, he doesn't.
He does not?
what room were you in, Mr. Chidas? Room 1, am I right?
Right here.
Right here.
Oh, there you go. Go ahead, speak, Mr. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, Mr. Flannery, how do you say your last name?
Flannery.
Mr. Flannery, I got good news for you. Your lawyer's done a good job for you. He's convinced the state to dismiss the case. So your case is going to be dismissed, so you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you, sir.
He did
Um,
put on a felony, so he won't be getting released, but only
You want-
because he's
All right,
gonna
then bring
throw.
him back. Tell him he's not going to be released. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
He has a felony pending.
He's pending TDC, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
TDC.
No, you're gonna release the TDC.
Yeah, if you need to put him back on the screen, tell him I screwed up. And I'll tell him.
Come over here, so you can understand. We'll take care of it. Come over here, Cody. Right here, Cody. Yeah.
Sir, I was wrong. I didn't realize that you were being held to be transferred to TDC and that this case was holding you. This case is no longer, the misdemeanor has been dismissed.
But y'all just said that I was gonna be released today.
Well, I was
Now
wrong.
you gonna change your mind and say I'll be released to
I made a mistake. The mistake I made was I didn't know that you had a TDC hold and you're going to be transferred to TDC.
a
This
TDC
misdemeanor.
on what case?
I don't know, but my computer tells me you have a TDC holding you. And because you have been held for TDC, this case, this misdemeanor is being dismissed. So that's no longer holding you, but you do have a hold for a TDC transfer. So I'm sorry, but good luck.
So
Okay. Sorry, Mr. Chavez. I thought that was doing you a favor, and instead I created more work for you. Take care. All right. Thanks for helping us out, though. Appreciate it. I did sign that dismissal.
Thank you.
Okay, Judge, that is conferring in room 3, and I'm waiting for Suzanne Kramer to log in, Judge, but she said she'd log in before 9, so I'm waiting for her any minute now.
So we got Mick in room 3, and then we're waiting for Suzanne Kramer.
Yes, sir.
Right. Well, I'm going to jinx it right now. This sure looks like we're going to be out of here real soon.
He's gonna.
I just did the Canales jinx,
Yeah, you
but
are.
I'm thinking I'm doing it on a reverse jinx. Okay, I'm on live on YouTube saying this stupid stuff too. I can't believe it. Okay,
Well,
so
well,
then
I'm gonna be on it regardless. That last case is Suzanne's and it's gonna be mine, so.
okay. Well, some people are just lucky that way. So I'm just going to sit here and wait and see what happens. Meanwhile, I'm signing some discovery stuff. So someone tell me if I need to pay attention, okay?
Terry. Terry,
Yes, sir.
when you're ready for German, he's gonna go to 1.
One, got it. I'll write it here. Suzanne should be logging in any minute. I already, she told me she'd be logging in before 9. So I'm waiting for her.
What's up, son?
You want a taco?
No, I'm good, thank you. You want some coffee, though?
Shit, she brought me 4 tacos. You sure don't want one?
Oh, I'll take one. Let me mix some coffee. Yes, sir. On the way. His numbers are done, just click it and it's already in the search.
Leave it alone.
Oh, you ready, Fletcher? Okay, come over here.
Commissioner
Okay, I
Aguilera?
see Mika Aguilera, and then I see Luis Martinez's paperwork on my screen. So do we have Mr. Martinez ready?
He's on the way, sir.
Okay,
Just stand in front of the monitor.
Mr. Martinez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen, sir?
I see it.
Is your name Luis Martinez?
Yes.
Are you the same Luis Martinez who in this cause number 726-106, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. Well, it's listed here as a Class A. Is that a mistake, or because it normally Bs?
Judge, that was my
It says
mistake.
it says it's a B on JD.
Okay, so I'm going to correct it to a Class B. All
Thank
right.
you.
You're charged with a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Correct.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this paper, this document. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides any kind of plea bargain that's a lower gap for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it, please, if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 16 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of this agreement, Mr. Aguilera?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Martinez, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 16 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. All right? Good luck to you,
He isn't gonna
sir.
be released, Your Honor.
Oh, he's not? Oh, pending transfer for treatment. So I'm sorry, you're not going to be released.
Yeah, I know.
But this case was no longer holding you, so you're just waiting to transfer. Good luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Good to see you, Mick.
Thank you. Good to see you. Great. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll be excused.
Yes, sir, you can be. Well, I'm getting it all wrong today. I'm telling people they can be released, aren't I?
Yes, you are.
I'm like Lincoln. I just want to free everybody. Okay. So we're waiting now on Suzanne Kramer. Did she ever come in?
Yes, Judge. She's in room 1 with her client, Judge.
Okay. In the meantime, can we get pretrial others, Jennifer, right now? Let me admit her.
Yes, Judge. She's getting on.
I'm going to take us off